And guys, we're discussing the very important international travel restrictions with regards to your travel to Canada. Now, with COVID 19 coming in, the new variant, more flight restrictions have come in. The flights have been banned. Which country is now in questions, and what is the sort of a ban that has now come in is the topic of the day. We are discussing this important topic. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Alright, guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, please make sure that you hit the bell icon and the subscribe button because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you're an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. Alright guys, so what we're discussing today is the very important piece of information around Canada that has banned flights from South Africa and the neighboring countries. Now guys, the Transport Minister Omar Al Ghabra recently announced this new flight ban. This was done because WHO had announced the new variant of COVID 19, which is the Omicron or the B1.1.529, is now officially active. The cases have been on the rise. They have now been expanding, viciously around the globe. Fortunately, there have been no cases that have been seen so far in Canada, but around South Africa and a couple of countries which I'll just name. So South Africa, you have Namibia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, then you have Lesotho, it's Eswatini and Mozambique. Now all of these countries, including South Africa, as you already know, have seen the uprise of this new COVID 19, the Omicron virus, right? The Omicron variant, because of which Canada has now gone ahead and issued a ban on the flights coming in from these countries, right? Now there are much more details to it. So far, the as of November 26th, the ban says that as of November 26th, all foreign nationals who have traveled through these 7 countries in the last 14 days will not be allowed to enter Canada. And the 7 countries are the one that I told you earlier. It further says that if there are any Canadian permanent residents or Canadian citizens who are currently inside these countries and are coming directly to Canada, they will not be allowed. They have to come through a third country and then they should get their COVID 19 molecular test done and then they should make their way to Canada if the results are negative. Okay, more details are coming with regards to this particular ban and how and what should be the route, how should one be coming through the third country, and all of those details will be out very very soon. But the transport minister says that the current ban which we are talking about today, Omicron virus, the current ban is applicable until January 31st 2022. Guys, this particular ban tells me that the one part of the news is that the COVID 19 is not yet over. Okay, I mean, you can expect, rather, you cannot expect anything. You don't know what's going to happen, right? And seems like even the vaccinations are not proving a full defense against this new variant. And the second thing is that with regards to the international travel, the countries are not yet fully prepared to tackle on these cases, primarily because the infections can rise once again, right? So Canada, obviously, just like all other countries, would not want to go back to those lockdowns and everything. So they're trying to play safe, and that's why the new flight bans have been up in place. Guys, please be safe. Make sure that you do not do anything that might be promoting the virus in any way. Say for example, going out in the public without a mask or anything. Guys, we all are terrified of it. Obviously, in a nobody in his or her right mind would want to do all of that, but still we really hope all of you are safe, all of you are doing well, keeping healthy, and we will soon catch up in Canada once you reach here. Until then, my number is on the screen, details are there in the description box. more than happy to connect with you. Please feel free to book a consultation. Once again, lovely chatting with you, and really hoping and wishing to see you soon in Canada. All the best.